love houseplants but have trouble growing them? Some houseplants are hard to kill, making them almost foolproof, even for the worst black thumbs. Here are 8 of our favorites. The first is aloe vera. This beautiful succulent from hot, dry Arabia is low care and perfect for a sunny windowside, and the medicinal gel from its leaves soothes cuts and burns. Give aloe full sun, soil with good drainage, and weekly water. Less water is needed in the winter months. Another tough succulent is agave. This native of the arid tropical Americas comes in many forms. It has bold clusters of upright leaves and thrives with little care. Give agave full to partial sun, good drainage, and weekly water. Less water is needed in the winter months as well. Holiday cactus is another tough houseplant. This winter bloomer from Brazil flowers best with good care, but will also tough it out during low care periods. Give holiday cactus partial sun, warm temperatures, well-drained soil, and regular water. For a tropical flair, try golden pothos. This tough, shade-loving vine from the tropical forests of French Polynesia has golden green heart-shaped leaves. Don't let the lush foliage of this houseplant fool you. It thrives in low light, and if you forget to water for a week or so, it will forgive you. Few houseplants are tougher than jade plants. These succulent shrubs come from the dry regions of southern Africa and can take a beating. Jade plants look great in spacious sunny rooms. The succulent shrubs can also take periods of low water. Native to the arid lands of Mexico and Central America, ponytail palm is a succulent tree with a bulbous trunk that holds lots of water, helping it survive when water is scarce. Place this houseplant in a sunny spot and water it intermittently for best growth. Native to tropical Southeast Asia, rubber tree is a large, bold-leaved houseplant that can take weeks with little to no water. This plant grows best in partial sun to shade and prefers good potting mix with great drainage. In the wild, snake plant comes from the dry tropical regions of Africa. Its succulent, upright leaves are often striped and can take sun or shade. These plants can really take neglect. For best looks, give it partial shade and intermittent water. All of these houseplants are low maintenance, but no plant is no maintenance. All houseplants need to be repotted once they outgrow their pots. Remove overgrown plants from their pots and either plant them in larger pots or divide them and repot the divisions. When repotting houseplants, plant them 2 inches from the pot's lip. Mix should surround the roots but not cover the stems or foliage. Choose a pot with drainage holes and a growing mix that drains well. Even the toughest houseplants need some water. You just won't have to worry about these 8 if you forget about them once in a while. When you do water, irrigate them until the water drains all the way through the bottom of the pot. It also helps to feed them with a water-soluble fertilizer once or twice a year. That way they'll grow even better. Happy houseplant growing!